Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for SSI disability online. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility requirements for supplemental security income. This includes income limits and resource thresholds. Next, gather all your essential documents, such as birth certificates, bank statements, and medical records. The online application serves as an initial step, allowing you to submit key information from the comfort of your home. It's a straightforward process, designed to streamline your application journey. When applying for SSI online, you'll need several crucial pieces of information. Have your social security number and birth certificate readily available. Be prepared to provide comprehensive details about your medical conditions, including diagnoses, treatments, and the names of your doctors. Additionally, you'll need to input financial information, such as bank account balances, income from employment, and any other assets you possess. Accuracy in these details is vital for a smooth review process. The online application portal is designed for ease of use. Begin by creating a secure account on the official Social Security Administration website. You'll then proceed through various sections, inputting your personal, medical, and financial data. Take your time to accurately fill out every field, ensuring all information is correct. Before clicking Submit, thoroughly review your entire application. This helps prevent delays and ensures your submission is complete and precise. After you submit your online SSI disability application, the Social Security Administration will begin its review process. They may contact you for additional information or to schedule an interview to discuss your case further. It's important to respond promptly to any requests to keep your application moving forward. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying organized and patient during this period is key, as the processing time can vary. We hope this guide helps you navigate your application with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.